Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. It's a special day for me because this is the day I start a through hike of the Appalachian Trail. I will enter the woods at Amicalola Falls in Georgia, some 9 miles away from the official start of the trail at the summit of Springer Mountain. From Springer, I will go through some 14 states to reach Maine, where the trail terminates at the summit of Mount Katahdin. This is the craziest thing I've ever tried to do. 70 years old, recovering from hand surgery and knee surgery. I've got some lingering pain in that left knee of mine, but I've got all the time in the world to work on this project since I retired last fall. The backpack is loaded up with gear, including a hammock, tarp, some fancy quilts that go under the hammock and above the hammock, sleeping clothes, cold weather gear, an umbrella, first aid kit, enough food for 4 or 5 days on the trail, and a plethora of electronic gear for documenting the experience on social media. I hope to be posting YouTube videos about every 2 or 3 days. I'm a little bit nervous, actually I'm very nervous because of the knee situation, my inexperience with backpacking, and the crazy weather that's been happening on the trail recently. We shall soon find out if my bad knee can withstand the rigors of the brutal ups and downs of the trail.